Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send money from Zelle to Cash App in 2025 using the best workaround available since they don't support direct transfers. Let's get into it. First, open your Zelle supported banking app and head to Zelle Transfer Action. From there, send the amount you wanted to on a linked bank account. Make sure it's the same bank account that also connected to your Cash App. Once the money lands in your bank, usually instantly or within minutes, open Cash App, tap on Add Cash, and select the same amount. Choose the linked bank account you just used with Zelle and confirm the transfer. And that's it. The money is now available in your Cash App balance, all using your bank as the bridge. If this guide helped, hit the like button, comments below if you have any question, and subscribe for more useful money transfer tips in 2025. Catch you in the next one.